About a month ago, I was trying to propagate this staghorn fern. So I cut it off, but it turns out that there's not really any roots um, from the part I cut. So I just put it in this little container to maintain humidity, and it's still alive, which is a good sign. So I decided to open up and look at the base today, and guess what? There's some roots growing, which is very surprising. I wasn't expecting this at all. I was expecting this to die, but you can kind of see those little white green tips, little pointy things. Those are new roots growth, I think. So yeah, I'm very surprised and I'm super happy that it worked out. So I'm just gonna keep it in this humidity box by the window and let the root growth. And you can see the leaf is still coming out, new leaves. So the plant is healthy. And hopefully when we get enough roots, we can mount the staghorn fern on the wooden board I got a while ago. Yeah, I'll keep you updated on how this fern is doing.